We supported a customer by performing a teardown of a hardware product they were using. During our review, we identified several issues. Some of the hardware components were obsolete and no longer manufactured, which increases the likelihood of counterfeit parts being introduced into the supply chain. We also discovered that multiple components originated from China. Even more concerning, the manufacturer of the product had affiliations with Huawei. Huawei is a company restricted under US law by NDAA Section 889. Given these concerns, we rated the product as a critical risk and recommended that it not be used in high security or defense-related locations. Initially, our customer was uncertain about the severity of the findings. However, several months later, public reporting confirmed the risk. Congress called for the removal of the same product from a Marine Corps substation due to national security concerns. That's the value of the work we do, helping customers catch risks early before they become real problems.